Hello viewers. Today I tell you some important notes about mock epic. Let's have a brief look on the topic. It is also called the mock heroic poem. The mock epic is a parody of the real epic in a light, non-serious mood. The epic is written on a very trivial or funny incident in a light satirical spirit. But on this trivial story, a garb of classical conventions and supernatural machinery of a real epic is overlaid, which is the result the production of a ludicrous poem designed to provoke satirical humor. Etienne France is the most famous example for the fashion of for a parody of epic form. Later on, it was imitated or copied by English poets in their works. In it, the theme chosen is obviously unworthy of the serious epic. It is a long narrative poem on this trivial incident is clothed in all the traditional dignity of the real epic form. The best example of the mock epic in Greek is the Battle of the Frogs and Mice, which is overloaded with Homer's Iliad. Another best example of this mock epic in English is Pope's Rape of the Lock. It is developed around a trivial incident of cutting off a lock of hair from Belinda's head. This was done just for humor or jest. Pope has developed this trivial incident into a serious battle between the two families, and in this battle even supernatural powers join on each side. Pope's poem has the complete epic form. It is the usual opening propositions and invocations, the conventional supernatural machinery represented by all the spirits of earth, air, water, and fire. He makes use of all the other classical conventions relating to the real epic. So once Hazlitt says about this poem that it is the little has been made great, the great little. This poem is a good example of a parody of a real epic. Thank you.